Hello, my name is Sara Vestin Rahmani, founder of Bespoke Bureau and the British Butler Academy. The British Butler Academy provides professional training for staff working in private households, luxury residences, hotels, yachts, and other high-end service environments. Our training is designed for housekeepers, butlers, and other service professionals, and we deliver programs both to individual staff members and to organizations and households that are seeking to develop stronger service standards within their teams. What makes our approach different is that it focuses on practical application. So rather than teaching theory alone, we work directly with real routines, service situations, and operational standards so that staff understand how these roles function in practice. And we provide several types of programs: housekeeper training, butler training, silver service training, laundry and wardrobe management training, as well as luxury service training for hotels and residential environments. Alongside our practical programs, we also offer online learning, including our foundation housekeeping certification. And this program can be completed independently or used as a complement to the practical training that we deliver. All our practical training is delivered on site at the client's location, so that staff train directly in the environment where they work. And of course, each program is tailored to the specific needs of the household or organization. Thank you for watching.